Hi all, welcome to Little Talk section. In this video, we're going to see about the Python library series. As the first one, we are going to talk about Matplotlib library series. Python Matplotlib library. So bars, creating bars with pyplot, we can use the bar function to draw the bar graphs. Bars. So we have two graphs here, x and y axis. We have two things here: np dot array a, b, c, d, and the y-axis contains 3, 8, 1, 10. So we are going to plot a bar for the x, y, and we are going to show this one. So you can see the A, B, C, and D as the bar graph names, and you can see the bar graphs present here based on the items we have listed, like plot dot bar of x, y. We can also have horizontal bars. For that, we need to use the bar hatch function. Plot that bar hatch example, I have given the x, y. So now the x, y will be listed as the horizontal bars. You can see the A, B, C, D, and E are listed as the horizontal bar type. You can also modify the bar colors based on the color argument to the bar and bar hatch function. You can see the plot dot bar x, y. After that, I have given an argument color equal to red, and you can see the bar is in the red color. It also supports some 140 supported color names, so you can give any color names you have wanted. Here I have chosen hot pink as the color. Plot dot bar x, y color equal to hot pink, and you can see the graph as hot pink color. You can now have one question: can I use the hex code? So yes, you can use hexadecimal color values also. I have used the hexadecimal color value #4CA50. So it is printed as in the light green color. Using the width argument, you can fix the width of the bar sizes also. The default size of a width is of a bar graph is 0.8, so we can modify it to 0.1 or 10 or anything you want. You can see the plot dot bar x, y with this 0.1. So the 0.1, the size has been reduced. So the normal size should be bigger, so now the size is smaller. You can see the differences here itself. For horizontal bars, you can use height instead of width. For that, we have the height argument. Here I have given the default value as 0.8 for the height also, like width, and we have given 0.1, and you can see the bar graph as thin, horizontal bar graph as thin. Thanks for watching the video. Welcome to Programmers Defense. Please subscribe my channel.